Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the GMC Hummer EV and this is by Majorette from their premium car series. So we did unbox this Hummer EV by Hot Wheels sometime back. To be very honest with you guys, I don't know where I kept it or else I would have just used it for comparison here. But this one is actually a bit heavy and it has openable part as well. So let's open it. I do know there is a chase version on this one. I mean the rose gold version of this one as well. So unfortunately, I was not able to get it. Even this, I was not able to get it that easily. It took me a lot of time to convince that guys and families to give this to me. So I'm really hoping that some distributor here or someone who can actually help everyone out instead of just you know. After all, these are toys, right? So I really want someone to be take that ownership and help out at least a few people around their area. Okay, let me just throw this out. So if you guys are wondering, I bought this for 349, which is the MRP. Okay, so here is the card. That looks really nice. You can see the specifications here. Okay, let me just put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Okay, that actually looks huge. The Hot Wheels one doesn't look really this huge, but Majorette ones are really good compared to Hot Wheels when it comes to scale. And the top here is plastic. This is the frosted plastic here, and I don't know if we can remove this. Yeah, that is removable. Wow, that is really nice. You can see the interior here. I was not expecting this to be removable, but I'm really happy they did that. So let me just put this aside for a minute. You can see the bed details here, which is really nice. And I'm not seeing much of an issue here. It has a rear view mirror, and the tires looks pretty cool. I mean, it is huge and it perfectly suits this particular car. And this is the first time I'm seeing this set of rims, with this particular pattern and all. And it doesn't have acrylic headlights, but they do paint it here because it's EV, right? It is supposed to have this futuristic kind of look, which I personally don't like. But I mean, at least they painted everything there. So it has taillight details as well. The logo placement is really nice. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. You can see here. And so the hood details here, this particular piece is plastic here. Let me just check it once. Yeah, that feels plastic. Yeah, that is plastic. Yeah. So okay, I'm not sure in actual car what this place is supposed to be. Maybe it's just a luggage space, I guess. But it does look really cool. I mean, they thought of including a moving part here and also removable part here for this price for 349. To be very honest, and everything looks really awesome in this one. It is huge casting and that looks really beautiful. And let me just put this on top again. Wow, that sits really nice. That is really beautiful, man. Okay, let's weigh this casting, but it is not really that heavy given the size of it. Okay, so it's 40 grams only. Originally when I saw this in the package, I was hoping that it would be around that 50 grams mark, but it is 40 grams. It's okay, not bad. It looks really beautiful. If I'm just going to keep it here like this, that is going to look majestic and it is going to look beautiful. Even though I'm not a fan of EV, it does look really good. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. Okay, okay, it doesn't have any wheel wobble, but it doesn't roll well as well. But overall, the casting is considering the casting, it looks so beautiful and it looks majestic and it looks really awesome. So with that said, that's it for today, guys. So if you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.